Hi guys. I'm going to teach you how to make rainbow sheep. Watch till the end. So first, get an anvil and name tag. Second, put the name tag. Then change the name into Jeb _. The last is put her name into it. And done. Your sheep is rainbow. Please sub. Bye guys.